In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable audience controls on TikTok, or basically how to add limits to your TikTok profile. What you're going to do for this is you're going over to the bottom right profile section. Here we click on the three stripes, the hamburger icon at the top right. From there we click on settings and privacy. Here we scroll a little bit down to audience controls. And in here, when we click on audience controls, we see this option which we can enable or disable. And it says that people that are age 18 or older will be limited to your profile, future videos and live videos. And you won't be able to change this for individual content. So for example, when you post a TikTok, this option will not have any effect on that single TikTok. But for example, when someone that is on a TikTok profile with an age of 16 wants to visit your profile, he will not be seeing your profile when he searches for it when you have this option turned on. And this is basically to protect people from under the 18 to see certain content. So when you know you're posting content that is not for people under 18 and that is not appropriate for them, then it is really advisable to turn this on to help improve the platform TikTok and also help the quality that people are seeing that are aged below 18 to make sure that they're seeing only appropriate content. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I see you in the next one.